Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be trading on Pocket Option using a market analysis that is simple, clear, and easy to follow. I'll be starting this session with a balance of just $37, focusing on precision, timing, and disciplined execution rather than complicated strategies. This video is meant to show how consistency and proper analysis matter more than account size. For my technical analysis, I'll be using TurboTrend FX, a tool designed to help identify market direction with greater clarity. In this session, I'll directly connect this bot to Pocket Option, allowing the signals to align in real time with live market conditions. The focus here is not speed, but accuracy and controlled execution. Let's move forward and see how this setup performs in the market. For those of you who want to download and get access, you can find all the details in the description of this video. Now, let's watch this trade through to the end and see how it plays out. And if you find this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more trading insight.